Welcome to Vivamus Wellness and Bioresonance Center. I am going to present you the corrective insoles Whieda, which are based on the Chinese medicine and philosophy. In ancient China, there was a whole philosophy about the feet. Traditional Chinese medicine claims that human health is a harmony of four elements: water, earth, fire, and wind. Any disease disturbs the balance of elements in the human body. And if that happens, we can actually restore if we know how to act on certain points of the foot. The human foot reflects the projection of all internal organs, and 80% of physiology depends on the feet. According to Chinese philosophy, it is not only the most important meridians and many active zones that actually are located there, concentrated on the human foot, but also rusts, toxins from the whole body that obstruct normal blood circulation and cause diseases. Thus, Chinese medicine authentically declares the feet are the second heart of a person. It's a reflex zone that regulates the functioning of all body organs. Aging begins within the feet, and so healing must also begin with them. Hold on a minute, sorry. Let me just go on. Now, why do we recommend the corrective insoles, Whieda insoles? Let's see the main functions and features. First, these insoles are made to perfectly fit the curves of the foot. The pressure exerted on the legs is distributed in such a way that the correct curvature is formed. The holes that you can see here in the product are calculated according to the energy levels. Thus, their construction was completed based on anatomical characteristics and ergonomic principles. It is not random. This is a result which the soles normalize the balance of the body and significantly reduce the pressure of the skeleton, bones, and joints when walking. 20,000 passage points activate the reflex zone of the foot, responsible for the overall condition of the body. The foot becomes a reliable point of support and stimulates the metabolism, blood circulation, brain, nervous, and lymph system. When the spine is restored, straightened, the organs return to their place. Thanks to the insoles, the feet gain support. The weight is distributed evenly, the shock during movement is softened, and bone irregularities are corrected. The soles help in the even distribution of the weight and the correct movement, and definitely improve and correct the posture of the body. Thus, the foot massage effect has a beneficial effect on the body as a whole. On our website, vivamus.gr, V-I-V-A-M-U-S, you can find a lot of more information and icons, photos about all these irregularities that come to place. 3. Infrared radiation and also a magnetic field are used to provide a deep healing effect. Magnets are integrated on their back side. The soles have a profound healing effect on joint pain, meniscus, swelling, inflammation, flat feet, and the bent posture of the body, kyphosis, lordosis, etc. A useful advantage also is that the magnets allow connection to the Earth's electromagnetic field. Therefore, in addition to foot massage and correction, powerful energy is being provided to the body. With regular use of these insoles, the biological circle of the sleep, this clock, sleep clock, is regulated and its quality is improved. Now, the soles guarantee a long life due to the particularly strong alloy from which they are made. Thanks to this nanomaterial, the soles will last more than 50 years, unlike similar products designed for 2 or 3 years of use. The shape of the soles, as you can see, is not full, but it is a little more than half. So this is not accidental, but it's a deliberate strategy. Full soles do not affect the correction of flat feet. The full sole firmly fixes only the toes, while the half sole trains them. Therefore, its shape is designed to reconstruct the foot. The choice of the color for the corrective this insoles is also not random. According to the tradition of Chinese color therapy, gold is considered the most powerful color, ideal for fully combating illness. It radiates warmth, strengthens the immune system, and increases physical and mental strength. The soles are also diagnostic. They change color depending on the wearer's health problems. How do you understand that? How does this manifest itself? A person's feet can tell about the conditions of the body and internal organs. After 2 to 3 months, the golden soles may change color, signaling the wearer's illnesses. Strains and spots of other colors may appear and vary in size and intensity. Predominantly, if there is a predominance of dark or black color, this means kidney problems. Reddish stains, cardiovascular problems, light white circles and spots, lung diseases. Predominance of green color, gastrointestinal disorders. Yellow color, liver and spleen disorders. After the elimination of the disease, the original golden color of the feet does not return. Of course, after changing the color, the insoles do not lose their corrective properties for which they were purchased. The change in color is only evidence of some problems in the body. Now, who is recommended to wear Whieda Corrective insoles? It would be wise to recommend them to everyone. Flat feet exist in one form or another in everyone, and they are almost incurable. A person lives with flat feet all his life without realizing that this is the root cause of his headaches, postural disorders, spinal disorders, joints, hip and knee problems, and intervertebral hernias. Corrective insoles is necessary for flat feet, but also other foot problems: swelling, leg pain, fractures, varicose veins, knee joints and ligament injuries, chronic arthritis, pelvic displacement, radiculitis, and other musculoskeletal disorders. The lack of serious diseases and an active lifestyle are not reasons for not using them. On the contrary, even in these cases, the use of shoes is mandatory, but they will be especially useful for people who deal with heavy work, athletes, people who walk a lot, and anyone who wants to have a beautiful and healthy posture. Now, at what age you can start using the insoles? The answer to this question is indicated by the size range. EU sizes 35-36 is one size, 37-38 going up to 43 to 44, and every other size more than this. The smallest size, 35 to 36, generally corresponds to the teenage years when the foot is already formed. Children's feet are still in progress of formation and do not need correction yet. It is important not to wear insoles that are not the right size. It is not only uncomfortable but also completely ineffective. The end of the insole should line up with the heel. Now let me rephrase and also add some diseases that may be restored with the use of insoles: like feet, flat feet, deformity, swelling, foot pain, cracking, ankles dislocation, protrusion, calves swelling, tension, varicose veins, knees, knee joint and ligament injuries, pain, chronic arthritis, X-shaped legs, O-shaped legs, pelvis, pelvic displacement, radiculitis, genital problems, menstrual cycle disorders, uterine fibroids. Spine, back pain, spinal curvature, shoulder pain, neck pain. Now, some people complain that the soles cause discomfort at the beginning. Why does that happen? The key in such cases is not to make the mistake of immediately discontinuing their use as inappropriate. At the beginning of use, there may be temporary discomfort and pain in the leg and the body. However, this is completely natural reaction that should be physical and expected. It's not alarming. Flat feet developed over several years may lead to muscle groups that are overstretched or have spasms. Therefore, when the correction begins, there will be pain that may be accompanied by swelling, sweating, and even peeling of the skin of the feet. If their use causes such discomfort, it is advisable to take a break for 1 or 2 days and then resume their use. The adjustment of the leg takes 2 to 3 days. There are almost no contraindications to the use of soles. So, if you want to buy them or have more information, whatever, you can call us on Greek prefix 30 69 80667655 or 210 9769 116. Vivamus.gr is our website, VIVAMUS, and also Facebook Vivamus. We wish you to have a very good health, to have a quality of life, to follow physical ways of keeping and restoring your health, and remember, prevention is always best than restoration. Be well, take good care. Bye.